Dear friends, a chana dal fritter is what we are making today with these very simple ingredients. We have to soak 1 cup of chana dal in water for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, we'll drain out the entire water. That is very important that there should not be any water. We have to coarse grind it without any water. And we will leave 1 spoonful of the dal as it is. We'll coarse grind this in a small jar. We'll stop the jar in between and mix it in so that we can get the paste into a paste consistency without addition of any water. After that, transfer this ground dal into a vessel and add all the rest of the ingredients. The quantity of green chilies and small onion will depend on your liking. Mix all of them well. Salt and asafoetida, gluten free if you can get asafoetida as per your liking, and then make it into small balls and flatten them with the palms of your hand, not with the fingers, with the palms. These chana dal fritters are quite popular. It is a street food and found in all bakeries in southern states of India. So please do try out this yummy. Though it is deep fried, the amount of oil it takes in is very less, is negligible. So you may very well go ahead and make it today itself, and it takes less than 20 minutes from start to end. Please fry them on low to medium, never on high flame, because it has to cook through, and then only it will attain that crispy consistency, crispy, crunchy, yet healthy. So do try out these. It will take at least 5 minutes on low to medium flame. These would be the final color. They would change color from light yellow to a brownish color. And you can add the next batch of these fritters. You can serve them with green chutney or plain tomato sauce. This is how it will look, and crunchy, crispy, tasty and yet healthy. So please do try out this unique flavored pakodi and do write about your experience in the comments box. Thank you.